I really enjoy my Roadtrek, and I like this shelf up here, and it's got this nice barrier back here so that I can store things in and it keeps them from falling out. Not so here though. The top of this cabinet, when I'm driving, things will slide off if I put them here, or I have to screw them in like I did this paper towel holder, so that won't come off. But if I want to put anything up here and I drive, I got to take it off or Velcro it. And I don't want to be Velcroing everything up here. And besides, who says I'm going to keep anything up there permanently? So I went and I got cabinet handles. They're made to go on cabinets. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them like so. One there. One here. I'll put one here. And I actually bought 3 of these, so that'll be like 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to screw those in, mount those, and then small stuff can fit up here, and I just have to make sure that it doesn't go over. And what I'll do is I have a little Bluetooth speaker and an iPod, so I'll put that up there. Then another upgrade I made, which is I put a cigarette lighter here. There's no electricity, no 12-volt power here. So like I said, I have a Bluetooth speaker and iPod, and I want a way to charge it. So I put that cigarette lighter, and then I have this USB cigarette lighter adapter, so I'll stick this in here. And then I can power my Bluetooth speaker and my iPod, or do any other little charging right there off of my 12-volt system. Pretty neat. Another upgrade I made was on this wall. I have no AC, 110 or 12 volt, but I do have this light here. So what I did was I tapped off the wires of this 12 volt light, and I put a second cigarette lighter adapter and another USB in there, so now I can charge my phone or whatever right there, and I have 12 volt power on this side. Alrighty, thought I'd give you a little tour of my new home since I've been moved in. I've been in here a little over 6 weeks now, and I made some improvements, so I thought I'd show you around. One is I put in a new refrigerator. The other one worked for a while, but at certain times of the day it would get up to 65 and it would stay there for 2 to 3 hours, and then it would cool back down. So I decided it was time to get a new fridge. And another little improvement I made was I put in 500 watts of solar. And that gives me more power, so now I don't even use my gas grill here, my gas plate. Instead, I use an induction hot plate. I merely plug it in over here, put the cord back behind the sink, and then I cook with that. I go into my cabinet here, which before was empty, now has all sorts of stuff in it. I put these little bin boxes in there so that I can get things in and out. But here, I hold that button down for 3 seconds, and my hot plate comes on, and I just change it over to 600 watts, and I can cook. I can set my temperature with these standard ones, or I can regulate it here in 10-degree increments. And then I hit start, and it'll start cooking. Because it's induction, I have to have a magnetic plate on there. But so for that, I don't even use my gas hot plate or gas grill. gas burners. Turn it off. Unplug. Put it away below. Sink, nice sink, running water. My little spice rack and catch-all, mainly salt and pepper, cumin and lemon pepper, some vitamins, and just catch-all. Place to store my trail mix. Little wash basin here, temperature gauge, time. Salt lamp that burns off of the little candles, so I like that. The bed area you've seen with the lagoon table. Swings out, turns, so that I can bring it all the way past the refrigerator, and it becomes a kitchen area. Countertop if I want. Back here I can sit down, enjoy a meal, work on my laptop. It's a desk. I can sit there. You can fit a person there, there. Put a chair up here and have a poker game. Got my TV. I do have to keep it bungeed or it'll swing out when I'm driving, but it's multi-purpose, moves all around. Got a shelf up there. Keep the remote for the TV back there, velcroed to the wall. When I'm gonna drive, I do plug it in there. Have an inverter here that I can plug the TV in, my Chromecast, so if I want to watch my videos on my TV I can. I can plug in my DVD player, which is up here. And this is just all storage, and I've got stuff in here. Here's my DVD player. And here's more storage. And more storage. I've got these nice little drawers that fit in there. My microwave. These little drawers, miscellaneous drawer, and these knobs turn to open, but and then that keeps it from flying open. This is my silverware drawer with my cutting board. I put that there when I'm going to cook. And then this also has a nice fold out, so when I'm in the kitchen I've got work surfaces, and if I need more I just swing out the table. Works great. One thing I love, and I think Roadtrek did right, was this bathroom. They made it so, I gotta move these are my dirty clothes bags. You gotta move them out. But they made it so that your legs swing out into the aisle. I've seen so many where the toilets are going that way, and so you take up more room for your legs. Also, the shower comes out here, and this is the shower area. Shower head's right there. You can angle it up a little. You can take it off and use it as a handheld. But the shower's out here in the middle too. How many times do you take a shower? Once a day max? I've seen people that have showers in here and then they end up putting a closet rod there or something and hang their clothes. Then they have to take all their clothes out, and it's a process to get ready for the shower. Some people say, well, you don't have much privacy if you do that. Well, this door goes right there like that, and then this door swings open. Unlatch here, put that over there, slide that in place, and now you have a private changing room. You're secluded on both sides, so that works good. And when you're done, you just close it back up. So the bathroom and the shower, to me, are very smart. Plus, the shower's right up below the exhaust fan. Sucks all the heat air out. Hello! So that's pretty much it for the bathroom and shower. I think they did that wise. And for draining, you just roll this back. There's my drain. You just roll these back and this becomes your shower. When you're done, you put that back down. You got you a nice walkway. Another great thing about this thing is this from here to here is roughly 30 inches. Plenty of width. Nice room. I like that. This is just a catch-all for everything. And on this side I have hanging clothes. So that's nice. Got the shelf here. Told you about that. I'm going to keep stuff up there and keep them from falling. Move my paper towel holder here. It used to be here. It stuck out to here and I felt like I was losing some counter space, so I've moved it up there. These chairs swivel, both of them. This one's really hard to swivel because this cabinet's in the way. But this swivels and it's nice. Some of the things I just love about this are the swivel chairs, the windows because they crank out so I can leave them cracked when it's raining. That's great. This cabinet is just my clothes cabinet with 2 drawers down there that I use for food and storage. But got my meters here, tells me where my tanks are at. Right now I'm full on fresh water. My gray and my black tank are emptied, had been emptied, and this is my batteries. They're good. So that's all doing well and good. What don't I like? Very little, actually. My air conditioner doesn't work. It's just a big fan right now, so I don't use it. I'm going to have to pull that out one day and use air conditioning. But in the past 3 years, I haven't used air conditioning, so not too worried about that. Some changes I want to make. Well, I want to get a bug deflector for the hood. The hood is it needs to be painted also. It's not in the best of shape, so the paint's coming off, which is typical for the Chevrolet models. This carpet in the back, it's nice, but I'd like to get it gone and put in a hardwood floor. Excuse me here while I put my laundry back in the bathroom. But yeah, I think some hardwood, because then it'll just be easier to sweep and not have to worry about vacuuming it. So that's on the plan list one day. One day I may think about a composting toilet. I don't know. I'm having success and luck with this one, so it's not a big deal. I do want a backup camera, and this is a fantastic fan. It only sucks air out. I think I would like to get a max air fan so I can suck air in or out and have 10 speeds. This only has 3 speeds in one direction. Right here is where the spare tire is. It's stored underneath outside from the door. I really wouldn't mind getting that put onto the back bumper so that then I could have more storage space underneath there. So that would be another thing to have done. Another thing that I have to get fixed is my speed control. This has cruise right there, but it doesn't work. I checked the fuse is good, so something's going wrong with that. So those are about the only things wrong with it or that I need to fix. Over time I'll take care of that. It's a great house. It's like a penthouse. What can I say? Compared to my last van, I feel like I'm living in a penthouse. The bed works great. Sleeping's good. I enjoy it all. I've used the microwave. I've used the microwave once to pop popcorn. That was pretty good. It's coming into its own. It's my new home. I love it. Hey everyone. Hope you're having fun. I am, and you should be too. Well, Rose is thinking about a pet, and she thought it might be nice if she had something to talk back to her, like a parrot. So she goes and she brings home the parrot, and lo and behold, the parrot knows a bunch of words, and they're mean, and the parrot starts yelling at her, cussing at her, calling her nasty names. Rose doesn't know what to do, so she picks the parrot up and she throws it in the freezer. The parrot starts squawking, really calling her meaner names, and then finally the parrot's quiet. It just goes dead silent. And so Rose opens up the freezer, afraid maybe she killed it. And the parrot comes out, and the parrot says, "Miss Rose, I humbly apologize for my actions. Please forgive me, and I won't cuss at you anymore." And Rose says, "Okay, you're forgiven." And the parrot says, "By the way, what did the chicken do?"